Hey guys, today I'm here with the Exotic NV series from 2021. It's a premium Hot Wheels car. We have a Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. So Huracan is a high-performance sports model from Lamborghini as a replacement for the Lamborghini Gallardo as their entry-level model. This was unveiled in 2013, making its first public appearance at 2014 Geneva Motor Show. This is the initial model LP 610-4. 610 is the horsepower around 602 horsepower, and dash 4 stands for all-wheel drive. This had a 5.2 liter V10 CSJ engine mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. So this was a really good car as a replacement to Gallardo. A Spider version for Huracan was introduced in 2016, while this was discontinued in 2019. A Huracan Evo was stated as a replacement, and just last year, the replacement for Huracan, the Temerario, was introduced. This is a really good card and poster car for many of the car loving people. I got this car because of the color actually. It's a really shiny green color, as the card suggests, and we'll get into the unboxing. We'll start with the unboxing. I'll try not to disturb the card. Yep, there it is. From the light, it is a really glossy green color. It's really reflecting well. We'll zoom in and look at the details. We have a 5-spoke wheel design and most aggressive stance like a Lamborghini should be. The engine is here. It's a rear engine car, and you can see the vents going through here. That is the air intake for the engine. And from the back is also really iconic. We have had a lot of different versions for Huracan, like Huracan Sterato, that is more off-road oriented car, the Huracan STO, the more performance and more lightweight car, and there is the Huracan Evo as well, which improved upon the basic aerodynamics. And we also have special editions spanning 9 years. This is still loved by many. I really love this glass detailing here actually. The wind stripes there, and you can see a green going inside the interior as well. That's a really good detail. I also have a Lamborghini Countach that we unboxed before. You can see how similar is the bed shape. Both of them are unmistakably Lamborghini, and you can see the low sprung headlights, the air dams. This is really a good replacement for Gallardo, and I'm glad I picked it up. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.